In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place text along a curve in Photoshop. This is a great way to create logos, badges, or headlines that wrap neatly around shapes, and it only takes a few simple steps once you know where to look. We'll start by creating the path your text will follow. You can use either the pen tool, which is perfect for custom curves, or one of the shape tools for clean geometric paths like circles or rectangles. With your tool selected, look up at the options bar and make sure the mode is set to path. This is important. Path mode creates an outline that doesn't fill with color, which is exactly what we want for text to attach to. If you accidentally leave it on shape, you'll get a filled layer instead, and the type tool won't recognize it as a path. If you're using the pen tool, click to place points and click and drag to pull out handles for smooth curves. Think of it like sketching a guideline for your text to ride along. If you prefer something precise like a circle, choose the ellipse from the shape tools and drag to draw it. Holding shift keeps it perfectly round. Don't worry about the stroke or fill here. Path mode ignores those and simply stores the outline. Now it's time to add your lettering. Switch to the type tool by pressing T. Move your cursor over the path you just made. As you hover close to the line, the cursor changes to a text cursor with a small curved line through it. That's your cue that Photoshop has detected the path. Click once on the path to set your insertion point and start typing. You'll see the characters snap to the curve, automatically following the direction of your path. As you type, you can adjust font, size, weight, spacing, and color from the options bar or the character panel to make the text read cleanly along the curve. If your letters feel crowded on tighter bends, slightly increasing tracking can help improve readability. Where you click along the path determines where the text begins, so choose a spot that makes sense for your layout. If you're using a circular path, clicking on the outside will hug the outer edge, while clicking closer to the inside will tuck the text inward. That's all there is to it. Create a path, switch to the type tool, hover until you see the curved text cursor, click and type. With this technique, you can add professional curved typography to any project in just a few moments.